Okay, so yesterday I went out and got dirt from a local tech company, and I also got dirt from the bank. I'm creating a spell to where I can get a new job within the field that I'm studying for, which is in UI design. And so that's where this tech dirt is coming in at. And I want to get paid for it really, really well. So that's where the bank dirt is coming. So we're going to make a spell jar for these two things. Okay, so I lit my incense and I'm cleansing a jar. Alright, when I was rushing to get this, I got a lot of sticks. That counts too, but I want some dirt, and I feel like the dirt is at the bottom. Alright, so I filtered out some of the sticks in here. So I'm just going to add it into, this is the dirt from the tech company. And this is the dirt from the bank. Alright, so these are the three basic ingredients. I'm going to expand on them, but coffee, sugar, and cinnamon. The coffee is to speed things up, the cinnamon is for the success of the spell, and the sugar is to sweeten the path. Alright, so sugar. I put 3 tablespoons in there. Put a good amount of cinnamon. And then coffee. Here's my crystals. So I'm definitely going to put clear quartz crystal in there to amplify the energy of the spell. I'm also going to put some tiger's eye in there for magnetism. And some fluorite for some prosperity. Okay, so when I said I'm going to expand on it, dillweed has been one of the best prosperity herbs or money herbs that I have used thus far. Comes out of this, but I'm gonna load that up in there. I feel like dillweed works so fast as well as time. And lemongrass. Lemongrass has been such a staple in my spell work because it attracts opportunities of every kind. As long as you have a place before what it is that you're calling into land, like, possibilities are endless. Alright, so I'm also going to add some rosemary in there. Some lavender, because I need whatever job that comes in to not only pay well, but I need it to be good for my nervous system. So lavender is good for calling in calm conditions of whatever it is that you're manifesting. This is one of my favorite teas by Cerebral Teas, and it's called Clarity. It's good for like helping you come over like brain function, but it's brain fog. But the herbs that it has in it is anemu, sage, elderberry, and blue Bavarian root. And I like to add these into any spells for jobs that I'm trying to attract within the tech industry, because I like using my brain. So that's what that's for. I like conducting my spells like beauty and brains type shit. And this is orris root. I don't use a lot, but orris root is good for attraction. And that is all that I am putting inside of this Tech Dirt money bank dirt spell. I'm gonna move this out of the way. And basically, I like to use these brown paper bags that comes in a grocery delivery. And I just rip it. It doesn't have to be neat. So this jar is basically acting as a layered spell to everything that I'm currently doing. So I have my love spell going on. I also have my sovereignty jar, and I've burnt a few different like candle spells along this process. I have been reaching for my dream job in tech and being able to blend my creativity and my talents as a graphic designer into the tech field. I've been working at this since 2022. A lot of things like urgency has gotten in the way, like homelessness and things like that has gotten in the way. But since I started taking my root work seriously, I'm starting to see how capable I am of, building my dream life. Currently in my love spell for my dream life, like some things have either manifested or they're still in the process of manifesting, but I'm seeing movement in them and I don't feel stagnant. So I'm super confident that this bank dirt and tech dirt jar is going to make a very speedy and harmonious spell to layer on top of everything that I am currently doing. Okay, so I'm not gonna read the petition to you, but I wrote it as though I already have it. That's the most important part. So I'm gonna take a little bit of cinnamon. I'm gonna sprinkle it on the inside of the petition, near it. Hold it towards me 3 times. Now, take that cap off. If you want to, you can fold it one more time. It doesn't matter. You're going to put it inside of the mixture. If you want to, you can add some more water. So let's immerse. Put the cap on it. And you shake it. And that is how you use bank dirt and honestly any other type of dirt inside of a spell jar.